Hi guys. So we are going to look at some of the features of Marketsaarthi here. Firstly, I would like to start with how you can make this look better. So just go here and click auto fit data. Just ensure that your scale price chart is accordingly. So once you do that, this will become something like this, and you can see it better visually. Or still, if you are having issues, so you can just probably go in the tab out here on the price scale chart and just rearrange it, and this will look fine then. I have helped a few of the users who connected in the live trading session and others. So this is how you can do it. Now let's proceed, and in this video I'll just be looking at the quick buy function. How did that go? So here, now if you just say since morning, okay, I'll just reduce the speed a bit. Since morning, this call had an open high candle. This is 27,700 put. It never gave us a sell signal. It was always on like it's a rise on the sell on the rise kind of a pattern it had, the call had. And finally, after breaching its max support area, it came down and it is last valid levels. This is the last level, however. This is minus 25.4. So no call can go beyond zero. So this is probably the last level of support this call has. And once it came here, it started hovering around here, going down a bit. But let's see how this quick buy generates from here. How does quick buy operate here? So here we have a first signal of a quick buy. It is the high of the candle is around 52.90, and the low of the candle is out here 39.35. So my entry would be above 53.80 since the reward is better, and my targets would be between 70-80 levels initially. If it's going above 80, it can hit 87 to 94 and 96 levels, these levels. So for a quick buy, our targets are immediately the level above and levels above. The max it can go is probably 104 on a quick buy generation. So let's see, it hit see, now in just in a 3 minute chart, this candle here, the low never got breached. Once it's crossed 53 in the same candle, if someone had a trigger entry out here on a 53 or a 54 out here, and he would have attempted for the first target, it's met in the one go. It hit 70, and the high this candle has made is around 75. 75.5 is the high. 75 is the high this candle is made, and it has immediately reversed from them. So this is how a quick scalp you can do using a quick buy feature in Marketsaarthi. You just need to be aware of the levels. Just calculate the risk reward ratio here. My stop loss would be 37.3, 37 even if you say. So it's a 17 point stop loss in comparison to a target of 20 rupees to 25 rupees. So it's 1:1 risk reward ratio is here. Again, we have a quick buy generation here, but since the follow-up candle is not closing in green, it is not above, this signal is not valid. Similarly out here, the signal is not valid. Same is the case with this signal. The signal is not valid. For the quick buy, we need a green candle, and the follow-up candle should be closing above or should be closing within the quick buy candle. That is the rule. If the low is broken by the next candle, the quick buy signal is not valid at all. So we're gonna wait. If let's see if we get another entry. I think there was a couple of more entries here around this level, the last level we had. So again, this quick buy also, the entry is not here. So what is indicator is telling you? Basically, here one might have a question as hard if in his mind, if the signal is there and immediately it's hitting your stop loss. So that is why we have a rule that a quick buy candle should be followed up by another green candle for a validated trade. This helps us to not taking entries on a impulse. It helps us to keep our trades limited. It helps us to protect our capital as well. So we are not over trading. We are taking a trade where our risk reward ratio is in our favor. Now let's look at this scenario. It's a quick buy. The candles are closing within. This candle has hit the stop loss. There is no candle which is going above the high of this closing. So this candle also, though it looked promising, the signal trade is not on here. Again, this is a quick buy. This seems to be a good setup, but we need the candle to go above.